Top 4 answers.
Let's go!
Triple points na ito, kaya good luck. Nag-aalala, si Mommy at Daddy, kapag nalunok ito ni Baby, ano to?
Kitty show.
Okay, nuts. Services. Wala.
What?
Okay. Mag-worry si Mommy at Daddy kapag nalunok ito ni Baby. Ano kaya ito, Kyle?
Maliit na laruan.
Maliit na laruan.
Yoshi!
Alright, pass or play? Let's play the final round.
Like this. Yoshi, Yoshi.
Nakahabol kaya sila. Rafa, ito na lang ha. Okay, ha? Mag-worry si Mommy at si Daddy kapag nalunok ito ni Baby. Ano kaya to? May 2 chances pa tayo.
Hurry up, Rafa!
Mag-worry si Mommy at Daddy kapag nalunok ito ni Baby. Ano kaya to?
Sabon na maliit.
Sabon na maliit. Sabon na maliit. Nandiyan ba? Wala ang sabon.
Wow!
Okay. Tayo tas usap.
Kaya ba yan? Habol pa!
Mag-worry si Mommy at Daddy kapag nalunok ito ni Baby. Ano kaya ito?
Maliliit na bagay.
Kagaya ng
Teka, that was already mentioned already.
Ang gears o mga tornilyo, mga...
tornilyo. Nandiyan ba ang maliliit na
I don't even know what a tornilyo is. Ah, yeah, correct! Something small.
Malalaking ano ng pagkain. Big
Malalaki.
chunks.
Kasi parang pwede.
Hey!
Nandiyan
Hey!
ba ang
Big chunks of food.
ng pagkain?
Wah!
Alright.
They're going to win for good. There's no way they're gonna steal this one.
Gabriel,
Candy rin.
Candy.
Candy
Yeah.
po.
Candy, mag-worry si Mommy at Daddy kapag nalunok ito ni Baby. Bro, si Luis, ano kaya to?
Candy.
Candy. Alam mo, parati silang united. Services.
Ah, we didn't win because the points were not enough.
Kasi
No!
dahil 114 lang. Oo. But the thing is,
Yeah, if only sana dapat they got the top answer kasi eh.
Tingnan natin ano ba yung...
Sayang!
Coins.
Coins!
Barya.
Vera!
3. Buto. Ayan. So, ang ating final score po ay Tiny Titans 243, Little Champs 114 points. Ayan. Thank you sa inyo, Kyle. Maraming
It's okay, Rafa. Don't be sad. That's always the next time. You can beat them. Yeah, I know. We can do it another time we play Family Feud.
Sila ng
Yay!
50,000 pesos. Okay?